welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. By the title below, you guys already know what I'll be doing. I'm back with another Temu unboxing review, haul, whatever you guys call it. A very realistic one, by the way. This time around, it's home decor. And on a no say, when it comes on to home decor, it's criminal. So I'm super excited for these, just to show you guys these lovely stuff that I got from Temu. Guys, it's late in the night, 11:15. I just can't go on my bed if I'm not showing them, because I really want to see them. I know them, but I don't know how they feel. I don't know how they look. I don't like to ruin the surprise for myself, so we normally see them together, guys. So I want to see me react. I'm a genuine reaction. Anyways, before we get into it, let us talk. I realize that when I do these videos, you guys always asking me in the comment section how to search the code. So I'm going to put a screen recording right here just to demonstrate. Pretty easy, but mega put it. Also, if you don't know what Temu is an online marketplace where you can shop every single thing, whether for your baby, your pet, your car, the bathroom, the living room, the kitchen, clothes, plus size, all size, you name it, Temu have it. Enough of the chatting, let us get right into the video. All the links to these goodies that I'll be showing you guys will be in my description box, so remember to check out the description box. Everything is listed. There will be a link. If you use that link to download the Temu app, you will get $100 coupon bundle. Or if you search the said code, you can also claim your $100 coupon bundle. And you'll see all the goodies that I'm about to show you guys pop up from searching the code. So these are curtains. This material feels so good. So this is it. It's like beige. I think it's beige, but it's very thick. Love that. And it's a blackout curtain. That is a bonus. See that? Oh. To be honest, I really don't know length. So let me just check that for you guys. I don't see the length. Comes with a manual. Probably just to tell us how to wash it, just to care for it. Alright, so I'm not seeing the length, but it's pretty long. Let me show you guys. So this is the top, and it goes all the way down. You see that? It's very long. I love that though, because what I want to do is to put the curtain rod higher. Gives the room a classier look and a bigger look. I'm still looking for the length. Oh, 96 inches. So let us pay attention to the detail. I love this. This is very classy. Further down in the video, you guys will see all of the colors together and see what theme I'm working with. But I really love this, and it's 2 pieces. Just 2. And as I say, it's long, guys. You see that? This nice bud. This look like not even 1 ounce of light can go through it. No, serious something. Look, it's very thick, guys. I love the fact that the back part white. I love that. The metal in it feels sturdy. Yeah. The stitching at the back looks good. The texture really nice. Quality, yeah, love that. A throw blanket. Yeah. I love this. I love this. This looks so good. This classy and nice. Okay. Wait, let me see if I can show you how big it is. so good. Okay. So now when I see my little color scheme, pay attention, guys. Pay attention. Remember, we're gonna do a decorating video now, guys. So don't worry on yourself. Okay? But yeah, this is really cute. Oh, and this is the back, in case you are wondering. So anyway you throw it, it can use that way because it looks cute this way as well. But yeah, moving on. Oh, these are some cushion covers. You see the material? So beautiful. Like everything just looks so classy. I can just imagine how in my living room I go look. Guys, wanna picture it. Picture everything. Picture all of the colors that might come together. The beige, the olive green, like, anyways. Feels like normal cushion size. But I love the texture. You see that? Nice. And it's two of them. Moving on. I don't know me a nut ball. Not cushion on me. Go together real bad. I love me a cute little nut ball, nut cushion, whatever you guys call it. And you see the texture? Pay attention to the detail, guys. The details. These little details. I love this. It feels so sturdy. It's not soft, but not too tough. You know, you can lean on it and it now, you know, shape out like something. You know how sometimes you lean on some cushion and then you just get that weird shape there? But you see the texture? Real cute and classy. And as I say, it's a small detail, guys. It's a small details. Yeah. I really love it. It's very cute. It's very cutesy, very demure. Yeah. I love this the most. This cute little storage basket, that's what you'd call it. These things are so classy. They look really nice. Them something here make your house look expensive on a budget. Can you imagine your house can look this good without breaking the bank? Guys, all the link to these goodies will be in my description box. Use my code. Gonna put it right here on the screen to shop these beautiful items that I'm showing you guys. Also remember, if you use the link in my description box to download the Temu app, you'll get $100 coupon bundle. Also, you can search set code to claim. Okay, I don't know what I'll be putting in it, but yeah, very cutesy. No, when it's I said it's not cute. I love it. It's a cushion cover, guys. Two of them. And it's the same measurements. Let me see. These are all the same measurements. Yeah. Love the little fringes. That's what you call it? Fringe. At the end. Olive green. To match the throw blanket. You see that? Yeah. Really love it. This feels so good. Yeah. Another cushion cover. This feels so nice. This stuff are nice and pretty. This is so beautiful. This classy and nice bad. I never know it did look so pretty. And it's just one of them because I want this to be an accent cushion. You know? Probably should I take two, but one will work. Love it. See if it match with this. Yeah, it match. I love all of these stuff. I not even know what to choose. I love everything. Anyways, these are some more cushion covers. This is like a sage green. It's very thick. The material is nice. I love how the zip looks invisible. Yeah, it's not exposed. Yeah, love that. And the stitching on it looks really good. I mean, it's a different green from everything, but I love it. I can use these in the bedroom. Oh, these are some kitchen curtain. 2 pieces. And this is how big it is. I'm gonna gather up the 2 pieces and make it look fluffy. But yeah, it'll look something like this. And it's very cute. And this is the length. Stitching on it, very neat. Yeah, I've been wanting one of these for so long. Even though I'm not take it out yet, I know exactly what it is because we can see through the bag. Ooh, so pretty. It's a wall shelf, wall hanging shelf. Yeah, this is so cute. Put it out here so you can see it properly. And let me give you a close-up. Let me just move the ring light a bit so you guys can see the color. I mean, it's the same thing. Oh, this is a table runner. And it's very long. See that? Yeah. Very, very long. So I think it can fit my table. Love these at the end. And then this is the detail. Very cute and classy. I'm not sure if this is the one that I'll be using on the table. It's 2 of them. But when I get further down, guys, me just pick up random stuff. I'll show you guys another one that I think I'll be using. But I love this too. Love the material. I just love stuff that gives me like a linen vibe. See that? Put a little white. Yeah. This is the other table runner. And I really love this one. This one is so cute and it matched the theme. Look at this. Look at it. So pretty. I have one similar to it that I got from Temu. But it not have, no, it have color. I think it have like a dark brown in the middle. Like Temu house decor items. Guys, look at this. This really pretty. No, you can't tell me that this is not pretty. This cute though. And this is a close-up of the material. So it's the beige at the side and the olive green in the middle. And these are beautiful fringe tassel, whatever you guys call it, at the end. Love it. Close-up of the texture. This is very nice. Very, very, very nice. Love it. Yeah. So I'm think I'm gonna use that one here because it match the whole aesthetic. See that? All the green and the beige, everything that I unboxed earlier. Yeah, this would match it more. Wanna think? Use this one, right? So should I use this one on the table or this one? Comment and let me know. Yeah, I really need to go shop this. Everything a matter of fact. Everything just looks so good. I know I want to see why I just said this is cute. No, this is cute. No, this is cute. Because all of them are really cute. Remember, click the link in my description box to download the Temu app to get $100 coupon bundle. Or you can search my code. Gonna put it right here to claim. Alright, so this looks to me like a cushion cover. Yeah. This feels so good. This feels sticky. it bad. So it's a ho ho ho, Merry Christmas. It's a Merry Christmas, but it's a ho ho ho, right? And that it's a ho 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 ho. Anyways, guys, it's beautiful. I love it. The white, the red, the olive green, so cute. Love it. And it feels so good. The material is really thick. Love these little green thingy at the end. So it's 4 of them. Yeah, this is really cute. I might just use this for the accent cushion, and then when Christmas is over, I change it out and use this one, because this I didn't really want to use for the accent cushion, but because it's Christmas, I can just use this one in the sofa along with the other green cushion covers. I think this will look so good. You know, give the house a little Christmassy look. What do you think? But this is nice. At least I have something I can use for like decorate my house, because I'm not doing a Christmas tree this year. So then me are gonna be my Christmas tree for this year, guys. These tiny little Christmas trees. So this is it. How much are them? Oh, they have different sizes. So it's 1, 2, 3, 5 of them. Aww, the one you're cute and tiny. So you see this? I have an idea. I'm going, let me pull it out before I get into the whole decorating. Oh, and it's spray with the little snowflakes. So cute. You can bend it how you like it, because it have like a little flexi wire in the middle. Yeah, this is nice. See that? So tiny and cute. I'm going to place them all over in the house because, as I said, no Christmas tree. But I have an idea. Let me show you guys. It's so tiny and cute. I'm gonna put one right here, so see that? So wait, let me put it for straight. Yeah. So I'm gonna put one right here, so, and then I'm gonna put one little reindeer. That's gonna look cute, though. Oh, yeah. I love the fact that them spray the little snowflake on it, make it look so realistic. And then the bottom is just a piece of wood. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. But yeah, them really nice. I love them. Guys, comment in the comment section and let me know what's your favorite. I really want to know your guys' favorite. You know why? Because it's so hard to choose. I think I might need something to pull this. Wait. It's something broke. A lucky thing say I can't glue back because it's wood. Oh, I see it. It's not even obvious. Wait, how am I set it? Like so. It can't glue on back though. That's not the best part. Alright, you know what? I'm gonna put up this. I don't want to lose it, because I'm gonna glue it right after the video finish. But these are so cute. And then you just put these around the neck. I'm gonna show you. This is it. It's really cute. I love it. Yeah, it's different. Our socks, Christmas socks, stocking. I think a stocking. So it's beige and green. Really cute. 2 of them. One for me, one for Jason. I'm going to hang them on the TV. A close-up of the material. Thick and nice. The last item is this. It looks like a box. Oh, wait there. Oh, I saw it did big. So these are some box and it's spelled out joy. So these are the J. These are the Y. And these are the O. How much are them? Wait. Oh, this cute. Hey, this will come in so handy now. For when, well, for if me a host this Christmas, I'm gonna put it right at the door. So as you step in, it just give you a little vibe. So a box and you just stack them on each other. So this side have reindeer, this side have the O, and then this side have the snowflake. Wow, I love this. I never did know it got so big. That's why when I see it, I never know what. I thought it was smaller when I could have put like on the TV stand. I'm not going to pull out all of them, guys. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to spruce it up. I'm going to put it at the doorway. I'm going to put some fairy lights in it. I love the fact that it's a joy. Yeah. But yeah, these are some beautiful stuff that I got. I'm not gonna lie. Guys, comment in the comment section and let me know what is your favorite. Remember to click the link in my description box to download the Temu app to get $100 coupon bundle. You can also search my code to claim. So see you in another video.